Okay, I am heading out tonight, but not before I open this parcel that has arrived for me in the post. To Melissa, sending lots of love this Mother's Day from all at Lucy B. I am already obsessed with Lucy B products. It's like it's my birthday again. We're putting the care back into skincare. Oh my God. I have been eyeing up these bags. I have recently got into face masks, and this one is the, okay, I'm not even going to pronounce this properly. It's a face mask. It's unscented, so I know this is going to be nice on my delicate skin. The eye serum, literally almost ordered this like 2 days ago. Last but not least, a lip balm infused with peppermint oil. I'm obsessed with a lip balm. Okay, now I'm having second thoughts about going out tonight. I just want to use these. No matter what skin type, your mum, mother-in-law, stepmom, these products are going to be perfect.